So we're at Dukunoo and we're talking to the staff because if the staff likes the food, you know how it goes.
Sure.
So, what's your name?
Sean,
And what do you do here at Dukunoo, Sean?
I'm a floor manager here.
A floor manager. All right, come through. So, what do you normally order when you go on break?
All right, so my one number one goal meal is a fried chicken. It's the number one best. It's like the best fried chicken in Miami right now, in a Jamaican spot.
Oh, I love that. And then when customers come, what do you see them ordering the most of?
The oxtail, like everybody want to try the oxtail. I mean, it's like oh, I gotta try the oxtail because it come with the dumpling, the carrot, the beans. People just want that vibes. And then the jerk chicken is also one of our number one sellers too. So oxtail and jerk chicken.
So, if somebody is thinking about coming to Dukunoo and they live out of state or out of the country, what's the one thing they need to know about this spot?
All right, so Dukunoo is not just a restaurant. It's a place where the vibes, just like what come for the food, stay for the vibes. So it's a place where you could come, not just eat, but we got the music, we got the vibes, so people kind of like that. And you don't really find that in Miami. Most restaurants you just come, you eat, and you go home. Here you could chill for a minute, and then you can leave whenever you're ready.
I love that. So at Dukunoo, what do we say? Come for the food and stay for the what?
The vibes.
Boom. Big up.